Hi, so far we have seen how to count numbers. We have seen various examples where we identified biggest and smallest numbers. We also arranged few numbers in ascending and descending orders and so on. In this video, we will learn how to compare two numbers. Comparison is very easy when we know where the number is placed on the number line. We will see few examples to learn this concept better. You already know that we count from left to right. This means that on the left hand side we have smaller numbers, and as we move on the right hand side, the number becomes bigger. You can also say that numbers 1 to 10 are arranged in ascending order. This means that we have smaller number first and bigger number later. Okay, let us see this number line. As we move from left to right, we can say that number 3 will always be smaller than number 4. Or in other words, number 4 will always be bigger than number 3. You can see here open crocodile mouth. Remember, this crocodile will always open its mouth towards bigger number in math. As 4 is bigger than 3, so crocodile has opened its mouth towards number 4. Okay, we write few symbols when we compare two numbers in math. Let us see couple of them. This symbol means greater than. When we write A greater than B, that means A is greater than B. Pay attention to the symbol. See the open side or open angle of the symbol. It is towards A because A is bigger in this case. And this symbol means smaller than. When we write A smaller than symbol B, that means A is smaller than B. And this is equal to symbol. When we write A then equal to symbol and B, that means A is equal to B. Now let us solve few examples. First, let us write this text in math term. 6 is smaller than 9. Let us highlight these numbers on the number scale. We have 6 here and 9 here. We are talking about 6 and 9. 9 is coming later on the number line. That means 9 is bigger number than 6. Let us write it down. We have 6 here, we have 9 here. And you know that 9 is a bigger number than 6. So, open side or open angle will face towards 9 because 9 is a bigger number. This is how we write 6 is smaller than 9. Now, I want to write 8 is greater than 2. We will follow same process. Let us locate these numbers on the number line. We have 8 here and 2 here. You can see that 2 comes first and 8 comes later. That means 8 is bigger number than 2. Now we will write 8 and 2 here, and open end or open angle will face towards 8 because 8 is bigger than 2. Hope you understand this concept. Keep in mind that open side or open angle will always show bigger number and closed side will always show smaller number. Let us take few more examples. In these examples, you only need to fill greater than, smaller than or equal to sign. Okay, first we have 3-7. While solving these examples, if you face any challenges, then you can refer number line. In this example, we already know that 7 is a bigger number than 3. So open angle will face towards 7. We read this as 3 is smaller than 7. Okay, I will repeat one more time that open angle will always show bigger number and closed angle will show smaller number. Okay, next we have 5-1. In this example, 5 is bigger than 1. So open angle will face towards 5. We will read this as 5 is greater than 1. In the last example, we have 6-6. In this example, both numbers are equal. So we will have equal sign here. We read this as 6 is equal to 6. Let's move to next page. We need to find out which box has more number of pencils. Okay, so this is also a very interesting counting exercise. We need to count number of pencils in both the boxes and then find out which number is bigger. A bigger number means more number of pencils. Let us do it. We will count number of pencils in left side box. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 pencils. We will write it down. On the right side box we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 pencils. We will write it down. Now we need to find out which number is bigger, either 5 or 6. Let us refer number line and highlight both the numbers on the number line. We have 5 here and 6 here. On the number line we see that 5 comes before 6. So 6 is bigger. Okay, so we will write 6 is bigger than 5. As you know that bigger number means more number of pencils. So right side box has more pencils than left side box. This box has more pencils. Okay, let us move to a new example. In this example also, you need to find out which box has more number of kitchen objects. Okay, as we did in the previous example, we will start counting number of objects from left box. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 objects. Let us write it down. On the right side box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 objects. Now refer the number line here. 9 is on the right side of 8. That means 9 is bigger than 8. We will put greater than symbol to left side box. So left side box has more kitchen objects. Okay, in this video we learnt about comparing two numbers with the help of few examples. In description of the video, I have added links to participate in online quizzes and download few study materials. Thank you.